What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video we're going to look at these nail cutter right here. These are very neat nail cutters. So they are coming in 3 colors as you can see right here, and these basically are cutters for false nail. So if you have those long extension false nail, these are one of the great cutter that you can use. As you can see right here, you can put a nail inside right here and just slide this down and it will basically cut like that. As you can see right there, cut easily, cut those extension false nail. You can place a nail behind right here and you can basically slide like so, basically cut it off as you can see right there, and still give it that round look, cause the curve right here give it that round look just the same. So you can put it inside, clip to give it that round look as well, which is really great. So anyway guys, 3 of them, very great product that you can basically have and look at. So as you can see, these are the great nail cutters.